everybody, welcome to Porshe's Kitchen. This is going to be a new road for me. I've never actually vlogged myself cooking in depth detail. It was always like hard for me to do it in the past, but I'm gonna try to like push myself to do better this year. I want to learn how to make, you know, some of the recipes that I see on TikTok, you know, YouTube, Twitter, all this other stuff, even on Tasty. Shout outs to them because some of the recipes will be coming from them. These are not off the top of my dome, you guys. I'm just letting you know that now. We'll be following along some people's recipes. If I change it, then it's my recipe from then on. And so, like I said, I hope you guys love this new little segment of mine called Porshe's Kitchen. And once again, I'll be uploading the recipes on my blog so that you can follow along, in depth details written. So thanks for watching and follow along. Okay, so I had to totally redo my last video because it didn't record at all. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the produce that I picked up at Kroger's, my local Kroger's. Kroger, sponsor me, please. I'm right here looking for a partnership, just throwing that out there in the atmosphere. Anyway, so I just picked up a few items. It was tomatoes, jalapenos. I'll go ahead and show you guys a closer view of what I picked up. And of course, all of them were on sale. I clipped those coupons. Lime was like 50 cents. You know, if you shop Kroger brand products, you get a discount. Just a little tidbit.
First on the list, we have our tomatoes. 2 of them to be exact. We have our bell pepper rolling in right about now. Put that in the back. We have our jalapeno pepper, spicy. Our lime for zest, coming in strong. We have our garlic rolling in hot. We have our grape tomatoes popping in, and our cilantro right on time. So right now I'm going to go ahead and load up my strainer to rinse off all of the vegetables and making sure that they're clean and there's no dirt residue left behind. So now that all of the vegetables have been rinsed, we're going to go ahead and start chopping them. Now, I don't have a food processor, so it's going to take a while. The food processor that I did have is actually missing a few parts, so you might as well say I don't have one. So everything is going to be hand cut today. It's going to be long and lengthy, but if you don't have a hand processor, just follow this recipe and you should be fine. All you have to do is a lot of cutting. It's no problem. So there's going to be a lot of videos where I fast forward the cutting because the process is of course lengthy, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of tricks of what I do also. With the garlic, I bought it already minced so it can cut down on some of the labor that I will have to be performing. And I'm going to go ahead and try to heat up the garlic because I don't really like garlic uncooked. I'm going to go ahead and let that sit and simmer, and I'm going to watch it for a while. So now that my garlic has a nice toasty look to it, I'm going to go ahead and add in the bell pepper. Now it's time to chop the tomatoes, which is going to be a chore, but keep watching. You can fast forward the chopping part if you like. So just checking back in on the bell pepper, it's looking really sauteed and brown, and the garlic is also
really brown. That's the look I was going for.
So now we're getting to the spicy part. I'm going to be chopping up the jalapeno pepper and sauteing it as well.
I decided to turn on the stove to actually heat up the jalapenos. I kind of like the, you know, like I explained before, the roasted grill flavor. So I'm just going to use the remains from the bell pepper and garlic and roast this. I'll let you guys know But in the meantime, I've been putting in all of the mixes for the salsa, so stay tuned.
These tomatoes are like super small, and once again, I am not a chef. I'm not Chef Bae.
So I decided to go ahead and try to blend these up with my NutriBullet because cutting those was going to cost me a finger. So here goes nothing. I'm going to try to not blend it so much. I think this is just enough. Any chunkier, it'll be soup. Ew, I didn't like the way that looked.
3 hours later.
Okay guys, so this is the final product. It's all nice and thick. Look at that texture. Yes. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so happy to be able to make this with you guys. I hope to share more recipes with you guys like this in the future. And once again, thanks for tuning in to Porshe's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll keep making more videos. Oh, don't forget to turn that notification bell on. Bye.